how to make over $3,000 without showing your face on camera. Alright. What's up, guys? Philemon Shepo here. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. Right. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make over $3,000 without online without really showing your face on camera by putting out videos. Right. So let's get straight into it. Well, the first thing is, before we go to that part, the first thing is you gotta create a YouTube channel. If you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, there's tons of videos out there. Pretty sure even the one you're using is a YouTube channel, most probably, right? So create a YouTube channel. If you have any YouTube channel that got like a strike from YouTube, that's not the best way. Just like make one from the start. I think that's a very good way to start with, right? So anyway, the first thing is create a YouTube channel. Second thing is create a ClickBank, uh, create a ClickBank account, right? So what is ClickBank? ClickBank is a place where people uh, put their products out there, put their products they are selling, and as marketers we can promote them for them, promote the products for them, right? So and then you get a commissioning stage, right? So for example, this Hawaii phone right here, right? So for example, Hawaii puts his phone on the market, and then we sell the phone, we sell the phone to our friends, say, hey, Hawaii got a new phone, go buy it, go buy it at the store. And when they go buy it, we get a certain commission for referring the person. But now it's digital with a link, with your own custom link, so you can get trade actually the right way that you actually made the sale. So right, so you go here. I don't know why this page is not loading up, but you go here, you create your own ClickBank account. Really, it's not really that hard. And if you are struggling with some things, go ahead. There's bunches of tutorials on YouTube on how to do it. I also search tutorials when I also started my channel. Right, so create your own ClickBank account, fill in the banking information, everything that is required. Really, it's not really that hard. That's the first thing. The second thing is you go to after you finish, you go to this place called the ClickBank thingy, right? The ClickBank. This is like the main page of ClickBank, right? So click the main page of ClickBank. I really like for you, before you start with anything else, really get familiar with the page, really know what is working, what is where, really read everything that is in here, but really it's really important information. But the first thing you need to know, right? You can either click, right? You can either click here when you sign up marketplace, or you go to categories, right? You go to categories or marketplace. Uh, what is categories, right? So the third thing is, after creating a channel, you uh you wanna know what niche you wanna get to, what niche you wanna talk about, right? So because when you're starting a YouTube channel, you wanna make money, you gotta talk about something, right? So the best niches to go into when you're making money, when you wanna make money online, weight loss niche, make money online niche, and the wealth niche. Those are the three best niches that can guarantee you $3,000, right? If you put in the extra work, if you put in the extra work, right? So let's say in this case, health and fitness niche, right? So we're going to the health and fitness niche for this case, right? So we want to promote a health and fitness product, right? So really first try to understand everything that's going on around here. Really try this. They even have uh, information about them, about what's going on here, like recurring billing, right? So let me explain to you something, right? So let's say you publish a video and you're promoting this product, right? This flat belly fixed product, right? So because you're a small channel, right? So you probably won't get bunches of views at the first time. So let's say you get a minimum of like 300 views, 300 views, let's say, right? So from those 300 people, only only one person bought, only one person bought, which is very low, but only one person bought, and then you already get a commission of $37, right? $37 for you just putting out a video. You don't even show your face. Right now, you can go ahead and promote even higher ticket products if you want. But if you're a beginner, I would like for you to start with low ticket products here, and then you can move on to $100 products, to $100 products, $1,000 products, until you go to 997, right? 997 products, right? And then you have 97 products, right? So those type of products, right? So here, so basically, if you want to promote this product, you just go to promote the product here, right? Promote where it's written promote, you say generate link, right? So and then you get this link, right? Because when I say if a person buys from your video, you're getting a commission, right? So you're wondering how will click to know that I got the commission. Well, from this link, you get this link. You're the only person in the world who has this custom link. You have your own link. Each person has their own link. So if a person goes in the description where you're gonna put the link, and then he clicks on it, and then he buys the product, you get a commission to your link. So he will know it through that link, and you get a $37 commission, right? So let's get to the sweet and the juice part here, the part you really want to know how to really not show your face, right? So, you go to this website, right? You go to this website, this animated website. I'll put the link of it in the description, right? So you go here, uh basically this website you create animated videos, right? You create animated videos that you put out there, right? So let's say you want to create a logo or video or website. Really, that's not good, right? Let's say you want to create a logo, I mean a video, right? So go to video, say create video, right? So you choose the video template that you want. And you go to here, I really want to show you everything, so just bear with me a little quick here, right? So you choose here, you choose actually what templates you want to use, right? So in this case, let's say we're promoting a health and fitness products, right? So basically the templates that you're going to be using are something that has to do with health and fitness, right? So you go here, we really look at templates that I'm really like trying to read it. This 3D explainer thing is video, quick logo animation, explainer video kit, blah blah. I think this is good. I think this is good. Let's say let's right. So it's this 500 is right. So like this 500, right? So I was saying you take a video from here, right? So let's say okay, let's pick this one, right? Let's pick that one. Sounds more familiar. Then let's say create now, right? Create a video part. Series thing is now, right? So this part, so you say add scene, right? So you say add scene. I'm really trying to make this as short as possible, guys. So we are in the weight loss list. So let's say we want this girl, and then let's say we want by okay that and that and that. Right, so four scenes basically 4 parts per video, depends how long you want. So here we just say hey there, don't, right? So here is just basically to uh the video itself, how it's gonna be, right? Animations, right? Hey there, don't you like your current current weight, right? So because while you're saying this, it's obvious people who are saying this probably don't like your weight. Obviously, they are weight, so that's why they are looking at the video. So that's why I'm saying this, right? So uh, and then say okay. So let's say wanna wanna lose weight, but don't want to do a lot of work, right? Um, and still eat your favorite 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 okay favorite and still eat your favorite food, right? uh the the, the solution is in the description, right? So you want to make something stuff like this, right? So stuff like this. So you go to here. If you want a style of it, if you want a standard style, texture version, really flat. Right, I like the standard style of it. I selected standard. So if you want the color, what color you like? I really like the normal color, so I'm gonna change color. This you can choose different colors you want. I really just like that one. And the music, you can either put, well, you can actually make a voiceover if you what is being said there. You can here upload a voiceover if you want to make a voiceover, or you can choose some music. So I don't have time for a voiceover, and I'm pretty sure you don't want to see my voiceover, right? So let's just say let's pick this music, right? So let's pick that music and say preview, right? So free preview, yes. So the free preview is a very low quality. So they're gonna make me put in my email. Let me just say Philemon Shehepo Gmail. So now that's my secondary email for this types of things. So, right. So remember me? Nope. So right. So basically, that's if you don't have an account. So I did not create an account just showing the stats, so they won't let me sign in. But that's basically how you do it, guys. So if you preview here, or you can actually say buy high quality, right? So the good thing about this, there's plans of it, right? So if you wanna see the plans of it, there's plans on how. So, guys, if I was saying about the pricing of it, right? There is planning, yes. Before you go ahead and go to the software, and then you find out this pricing, and then you're gonna say, "Hey, Philemon, you don't tell me this pricing." Yes, there is the pricing. It is a first cost. Unfortunately, it just has to be. It's high quality videos. Everything is for free, right? If you don't wanna show your face, that's not good for you. Then that's the only option, right? So here's the pricing options of it, right? Here's the pricing options. You can choose either the free one. You only get unlimited 360 360p videos, which is nowadays not that good. 500 megabyte memory. So that's the pricing of, pay $14 per month, so you get 720p videos per month, up to 5 minutes videos, right? So these videos are only up to 3 minutes, right? Anyways, this is the pricing. You guys go check it out. It's up to you. That's just me telling you how you can make money with this site. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Check out my number one recommended uh book, right? My free affiliate marketing book is the first link in the description that will teach you everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing. That is what I do. That's what I make money with. Right, so check it out. Or if you wanna jumpstart your success, check out my second link in the description, and that will actually take you to the course, or that actually helped me teach you what I'm teaching you right now, and even more advanced it and how to get it faster and easier, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo. See you in the next video, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Like this video if you have enjoyed it, and peace.